and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's video, we went to Mickey D's. It's the start of a new Happy Meal toy, and this time around, the Happy Meal toy, and I do give credit here for McDonald's. Look, it's supposed to be Captain America 4. That's right, Captain America 4. New World Order, I believe, is the name of the movie, Brave New World. Captain America 4, Brave New World, which was supposed to be released this summer, but due to very poor test screenings, and then they basically reshot the entire movie other than a few scenes. It's been delayed until 2025. But McDonald's, they already had the toys and the schedule. So Captain America, Brave New World, Happy Meal. So, of course, you have this side. Good job, McDonald's, because it's not just the red box. They did tie in the Captain America thing there. Here in this side, mission, save the day. Got a little QR code there for a technologically savvy consumer. There we have the new Captain America. We have the new Falcon and Red Wing, which is like the robot thing with Captain America. Here are some of the possible toys. We have Diamondback, Ruth, I don't know who that is, Red Hulk, and another Captain America, and a shield. So let's see what our toy is inside here. And these aren't, I thought these were going to be hard toys, but they're not. They're soft toys. And we've got number 2. We have Red Hulk. Red Hulk. Hulk man. I'm real man. I'm red. Smash. Red Hulk. So there we have it. The Captain America 4 toys. This is more like a plushie. Got it right there, Hulk, Red Hulk. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. We just examined the Captain America 4 Brave New World Happy Meal from McDonald's. And we've got Hulk, Red Mad Angry Hulk, which is President Ross, for those of you who don't know. Or actually, they may change it up for the movie. Who knows? But yeah, so that new Happy Meal toy, Captain America 4. Red Hulk. This has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.